Welcome everyone, my name is Sören Maucher and I'm from DT Advisory in Switzerland. Today we want to show you how with Agentic AI we can automatically create opportunities in ServiceNow as a CRM system. In this case study we want to look at a company called Alp Transit Solutions who specialize in building roads and tunnels in Switzerland, and they already use ServiceNow for their CRM system. Currently what they do is they go on the internet and look for public tenders, and then they create opportunities in ServiceNow which then they or someone else from the sales team will work on. We thought this process can be much better with Agentic AI in the way that we will first use agents to automatically crawl the internet and all those public tender websites to automatically create opportunities. This, first of all, will create more opportunities in the system much faster at a much better quality. And then second of all, free people from the sales team from actually creating those opportunities to working on them. So we have now more people working on more opportunities. I'm now logged in as a salesperson to the ServiceNow instance, and I see here that under my opportunities, I can see an AI-generated one. If I open this opportunity, I can see that all the necessary information is automatically populated. For instance, the account was automatically mapped and that a description was automatically generated that summarizes all the information from the public tender. We also see here a link that actually points to the original public tender on the internet, which in this case is a real website called SIMAP, which in Switzerland is used for public tenders. And we also see that this is a real tender that was created on today's date, and that all the information that we just saw in ServiceNow is also listed here. If I go back to ServiceNow, and in this case I'm not just a salesperson but also an administrator, I also have access to this Sources tab. And here we see the sources that we actually configured for our AI agent, which should be crawled. So besides CMAP, we see that also an Austrian website and a German website should be crawled on a daily basis. If we go in here, we see that also besides the URL, we can give some instructions for the AI agents what type of tenders they should look for. So for example, here we've provided a list of words that the agent should look for on the website. Let's quickly look at the solution that we built. We built the whole solution in ServiceNow Flow Designer, so in a low-code way. Our AI agent runs every day at 1 a.m., then goes over the whole list of opportunity sources, so the 3 websites that we just looked at. Then for each of those websites, we'll initiate the crawler agent that we custom built, and in the second step, we'll create the opportunity out of this. If we dig deeper here, we see that for this, we leverage the ServiceNow skill builder with a custom prompt to extract all the data in a structured way out of the website data and create an opportunity record in ServiceNow. Here we see our custom prompt that we built with Now Assist Skill Kit. We started off with an introduction to the agent, what needs to be done, and then in the end also go more into detail of what actual data needs to be extracted from the information. To summarize, for this solution, we leverage ServiceNow Agentic AI in order to automatically create opportunities and also leverage the ServiceNow Knowledge Graph. Since we have all the information that you see on the slide already in ServiceNow, we can automatically populate data such as account or contact information on our opportunity record.